Quick Fix Credit Repair Review Usage Experience. Welcome to this Quick Fix Credit Repair Review, where I'll explore its features, explain who it's designed for, and share insights based on usage. For more details, check the links provided in the description. Quick Fix Credit Repair is a streamlined service designed to help individuals improve their credit scores quickly and effectively. It caters to people dealing with inaccuracies on their credit reports, such as outdated information, duplicate accounts, or incorrect negative entries. Whether you're aiming for a loan approval, better interest rates, or financial stability, this service offers practical solutions tailored to your needs. One of Quick Fix Credit Repair's standout features is its speed-focused dispute process. They use a direct and strategic approach to challenge errors on your credit reports with the major credit bureaus, Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion. Their team leverages years of experience and knowledge of credit laws, such as the Fair Credit Reporting Act, to ensure disputes are handled efficiently and fairly. Another feature that sets this service apart is its personalized credit improvement plan. After a comprehensive analysis of your credit reports, Quick Fix provides actionable insights to help you address both current issues and long-term habits that could impact your score. From guidance on reducing debt-to-credit ratios to tips for maintaining consistent payment history, the service focuses on building sustainable credit health. For users who value transparency and real-time updates, Quick Fix offers an intuitive client dashboard. This platform allows you to track the progress of your disputes, view updated credit scores, and stay informed about milestones in the repair process. What makes Quick Fix Credit Repair particularly appealing is its affordability and flexible pricing options. This makes it an excellent choice for individuals seeking professional assistance without a significant financial commitment. It's especially beneficial for those with urgent credit improvement needs, such as upcoming mortgage applications, vehicle financing, or rental approvals. If you're ready to take control of your credit and achieve your financial goals, Quick Fix Credit Repair offers an effective solution. Don't forget to check the links in the description for more information and to get started today.